On question number 24, my first step is to condense these using the product rule. So using the product rule, you multiply the insides. So x times x and x times negative 1. This will be x squared minus x is equal to log of 4x. So now all of my variables and numbers are in the insides of logarithms of the same base. So now you only have to look at the insides. So x squared minus x is equal to 4x. And I see an x squared term, I see x terms. So I'm going to try to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other, and then factor. So x squared minus 5x is equal to 0. I can factor out an x as a GCF, leaving me with x minus 5. And then I set x equal to 0, x minus 5 equal to 0, and then add 5 to both sides. So I have x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 5. Although I do need to check these. So it can't make the inside of an original logarithm negative or 0. So if you plug 0 into here, that does make it 0. So that is not a solution. If you plug in 5 into here, it's okay. 5 minus 1 is 4, that's okay. 5 times 4 is 20, that's okay. So 5 is our final answer. So on these problems, you could have one solution, you could have two solutions, you could have no solutions.